Womp womp. You almost 2 years. Monthio. "14 months, let's go."
Chat, as you can tell, I'm sick. I'm very, very sick. And people, as you can see, let me turn these off for a second. As you can see, that's no bueno. I'm not feeling too hot. So, to help me heal, I've enlisted the help of my friends. Because ultimately, I sit in silence the stream. The rules haven't kicked in yet. Can we please calm down? Hey, I'm going to tell you when the rules have kicked in, and then we can't make noise from then, alright? Calm yourselves.
Cover our face when you
please.
Cough with the hell skeptical smiley
people,
face.
Please. And no. My stream, Sunny Sock 69. Your fucking name has sex in it, and that's not right. Anyway. I'm sick. So I enlisted the help of my friends to make an entertaining stream.
17 months. Hope you feel better soon.
Thank you. But anyway, you may be wondering what the stream is today. Let me tell you. I do not want to make any noise to let my damaged voice rest. I've had to do 2 days full of rehearsal for Tommy's shit, and I had to stream yesterday. I'm running on fumes. I'm in a lot of pain, and I want to stop talking. So after this explanation, I will. And let me tell you. I have pinged everyone in Brighton. And I've told them this. My door is unlocked. Alright? Show up. Let yourselves in. And do what you can to try and make me make a noise. I have 5 lives.
21 months.
As you can see
Enjoy your
on my left here.
Face. L.
As we go down the lives, I will gift the associated amount of subs to that life. So, without further ado, I'm going to turn on the rules so that people who join the stream halfway through know what's going on. We move the alerts as well because the rules are too high up. Give me a second. Apologies.
Manifold Chad.
Thank you for the Manifold Chad. Appreciate all the subs, by the way. This is the last time I'm going to be able to thank you guys. So, BJPEG, Livmeister, Eliza, PK, KP Live, Lucy, Joseph the Wise. Thank you all for the subs. There probably won't be a top of the hour ad on this stream. It's very difficult to manage ads while I'm trying to stay silent and everyone is... So Tubbo and Wisp both just... And Jago now all just tweeted this. All at once, actually. Which... Well, it doesn't have me excited. But, guys, the rules are as follows. If I lose all 5 lives, the stream ends.
20 months of
Or,
funding the bald man.
if I am left alone in silence for 5 minutes, the stream ends as well. If anyone does not come in to try and make me... Like, if I'm just left
Jack,
alone in silence for 5 minutes, the stream ends as well. If someone comes in and interrupts with... And if they... Not me making a noise, but if they try and make me a noise, you get the point? They will also... The stream will continue onwards until I'm left alone by my peers. Or I've exhausted my lives. So, without further ado... So people keep saying stream's ending in a minute. One, it's been 7.
Bad words. Laughing face.
Apologies, I may have already said some. Also, for those people saying it'll end in 1 minute, it's already been 8, pal. And the rules are, actually, that I've got to last for 5 uninterrupted minutes. So realistically, the shortest stream would actually be 5 minutes, wouldn't it? Maybe think before you make your quips. Anyway, let me pan the camera out so everyone will fit when they enter the room. I'm going to assume the position. Just like this. Turn this music off. Oh. And let me start this. Silence begins now.
Oh, it's Tom Simons.
I love Jack Manifold. I like your funny little dance, you silly little guy.
You.
That's a good business investment. Manifold Moves Inc.
Nay! Nay! No, well, I shouldn't be neighing. I'm the rider of the horse. Nay! 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 Wait, why would I be neighing? Because I'm. Why have you got so many fucking watermarks on the screen?
Fuck? Why is there
That's
so
the
many
most
fucking...
dog shit overlay I've ever seen. No, all these ones as well.
Bro, fix your fucking overlay.
Do you
bro.
need
That's
subs today? 17.
I can't see. That shit's embarrassing.
It's not. I mean, that's a bit hard.
That's embarrassing.
Can I disable subs today 17?
Nah, that one...
Come on, there's too many overlays, man.
What one is not necessary?
Sub girl subs today. Ditch that.
Nah, the subs today's type.
Okay, let's keep going.
Alright. Nay! Wait.
Nay!
Stop neighing.
But
Can you just make some fucking noise?
oh. Hey,
What?
what
I've
fucking...
just like slap the noise out.
Jack, speak or you're gay. He's out now.
He's gay.
We got him. Another one bites the dust.
That's what I've always said.
Not that one would bite the
No,
dust.
one would bite the dust for being gay.
Upon coming out.
No,
I really
they would. They would.
I really would. I'm not.
You'd probably kill them, wouldn't you?
I am.
You
what
probably would.
Why would you pin that on me?
Like you literally said that he would bite the dust.
I never said that.
You're homophobic. You're
Nay!
actually homophobic.
Nay!
You're actually homophobic.
Nay!
You're homophobic.
Let's get some pride in the chat.
Sorry. Yeah, that's my phone. Sorry about that.
Really feel like you pinned that one on me.
Yeah.
Can I try some of those new flavors I haven't tried? Because I've never tried the red or I'm just getting it. So. Well, I've never tried them. So.
Be who you are. Let's try this. Sweet Caroline.
Just open two different files.
This sucks. Speak, bitch, boy. Speak. Speak. Speak, little peasant bitch, boy.
Start plucking out your hair. Would you make noise?
Speak. Speak. I'm gonna fiddle with your overlay. Please. But Jack.
Just say some words, bro.
Tubbo, stop speaking so American. What did I tell you?
Oh, sorry. I remember what you told me. I'm gay and I should kill myself.
No,
What
don't.
word?
Why would? What the fuck? Okay, I never said that. I never fucking. Why would? What the? What is this bit? You can't just accuse me of homophobia. That's an insane thing. That's a completely insane thing to shout at me. What the chat? What the? This guy's fucking off his nut. This fucking nutcase on it. I'm never.
You'd bite the dust. You literally said another one bites the dust. That's what I'm saying.
Okay, Tommy, why would you say that?
Why don't you just get an antivirus notification pop up? Why you got an antivirus?
Jack, that's kind of pervy. What's this text? Join Discord GG, Jam. Who spoke that? You don't want that, Jack. Honestly, trust me. Just a little bit cringe, Jack, honestly. You just want I'm horny, my friend. What's Rickroll and shirt? What's behind that? Oh, nice.
This seems like a very useful.
What's behind there? Nice. Where's the if I make a noise? Like, where is that?
Can we like make it so like if you don't speak, I'll just go shut down your computer.
Dude, what is it? Stop being so
I'm
aggressive this
trying to
evening.
figure out.
Fucking Jesus.
I don't know. I've just got to calm down. I don't know. I'm just
Breathe,
so,
breathe.
I just gotta breathe.
Where is this
I have to
text?
breathe.
Where is that text layer?
Probably the image. Bro,
No.
wait. You got like phantom text.
Right, how have you?
Oh.
TTS. Well, that's why.
You know he spent so long setting all of this up.
Jack, what? Wow.
Wow, Jack. Are you listening to anything in your headphones? Or are you just wearing them? Oh, we have the same headphones. Oh. Wait, do you have your voice playing into your ears?
Hiya.
Come on.
Sorry, have you seen my vape? I'm looking for my vape. It's blue razzmatazz. Blue razzmatazz flavour. Has anybody seen my vape? I'm just looking for a tenner.
Oh God, I don't need that. You already just said you can have full creative freedom. Hey guys, we're back.
Hello there, chatters. Bat chest, bat chest.
Why is your text-to-speech not Brian? Oh, I need to charge my phone. Thank you.
That felt like a baby sensory video.
Oh, you can see my reflection in this little bit of drawing up here. What makes you, like, I don't know, do stuff? I don't know, like, you know when a goldfish dies and it like floats to the top, and you're like, come on, don't be dead, you know? Like, do something, do some shit, you know? We have the same headphones. That's actually kind of awesome. Good choice of headphones. Wow, that is something. That is a shocking image. I'm shocked by that. I feel shocked. Yeah, wow, that's something. It's so bizarre watching other people stream. Like, I don't know how you do it. I don't know how, I don't know, man. I don't understand how. Like, maybe I gotta, like, learn to stream.
Jack, I'm gonna make you talk, buddy. Jack! Talk! Talk, Jack! Please talk!
Oh my god, Edward Scissorhands, how did you
Yes, it's in TOS! Talk! Alright, well.
Edward Scissorhands.
What can you do? Try my hardest.
This is quite good. I like that you have this.
Open the door!
Sorry, I'm back again.
Come on, Grandma.
Listen.
Come on.
Listen, right? I just need 5 minutes of your time.
Come on.
It won't take
Come
long,
on.
everybody. It won't take long. Listen here. I'm trying to make a quick bob. Trying to make a quick bob.
It's okay.
I can sell you what you need. Listen.
Please just buy something,
listen.
please.
Tenner for a blue razzmatazz vape. Lost Mary, if you will. Okay.
Oh, I need a drink. Just buy something. He's got.
Listen, no, listen. I can sell you good stuff. I got the prime grape. Prime grape.
2 for 20.
Oh, and if you want another one, here we are. Prime grape. 2 for 1.
That's a noise!
That's a noise! Yes! It's a fucking unprecedented bit.
2 for the price of 1.
Okay, come on,
Why
Grandma.
did you both have? Why did you both put my great prime in your fucking
I had it
boxes?
down my trousers for 20 minutes. He didn't let me take it out.
Bye.
All right, fine. More subs for you lot. Yeah, bye. Fine, 10 more subs. As the last lot of 10, the next lot's 20. So
Wait, you have a little fridge under your desk.
it's a very mini fridge with. I think it has a water and makeup products because that's what YouTube sent it with.
I'm a sexy 3D boy.
But no, we're not doing. I'm still able to talk right now. There's no real point in this.
What's the...
Oh, I know I don't remember what the live said.
Whoa.
Either way,
It was 20 gifted.
no, it's 10 again, and then next one's 20.
Alright.
Next one's 20, man. Hey, whose stream is this, Tubbo?
Yours,
Exactly. Right. Anyway.
which is ironic, seeing as you're the one that's not speaking.
Yeah, and doing a damn good job of it for the most part until that grandma comes in.
I mean, I don't know. You've
That
lost...
hot grandma.
That hot grandma that gives me a... You know, I don't even want to say what she gives me.
Stop talking.
Anyway.
Is this like stuck on the wall big time, or is it just like...
It's Velcro. Anyway, look, I'm going back to not talking. Don't pull my play button off the wall.
Alright.
I like how we had the same.
Alright, that's the last thing I'm going to say before I stop talking. Starting now.
Wow.
Jack, it's me. It's me, chum.
Chomby. It's me, Chomby. I'm everything Chommy shouldn't be. I'm his little brother, Chomby. I'm Chomby Gin. Jack, I'm Chomby Gin. I'm Chomby Gin. I'm the great syrup. I'm Chomby Gin. I'm the syrup that people squirt on their waffles. I'm Chomby Gin, Jack. You don't know Chomby Gin? The chail of Chomby Gin. Chomby Gin is a flavour, or is he more than that? Oh, everything shifted. Chomby Gin is a point of view. When Chomby Jojo. When you know what, man? Sorry. I was gonna do fucking stand up for everyone, but no. Yes. We just want to come and have a chat, to be honest, because this is fucking boring.
Figured we'd join.
Can I sit on this? Oh man, I'm a good header for your chat. Oh, even better. It's just more to see, really. Do you reckon Patrick is gay? From SpongeBob. I could see it. Good lover.
Good lover, better railer.
Spongy boy. And that's saying something because he's best friends with the Spongy Bob Squarepants, or as I call him, Clunge Bob Squarepants. He's a master of clunge. He is.
I love clunge.
Honestly. Yeah.
There's one thing you know.
We call it the gusset trolley. Because it just gets that gusset round. Yeah, honestly, it's good stuff.
What is
clunge? Clunge. Let's
describe it.
Well, it's just wonderful. It's
I just wish a load of boys in the room would describe vaginas to me. Oh wait, here I am. Please, boys. I'm sure there's nothing wrong with this.
Anyway, continue.
Why does it say I'm horny?
Jack's horny. I'm horny.
Oh, okay.
I'm horny.
It's one of those streams.
Oh,
Alright.
oh wait, isn't that like we can pay money for like the...
There's no hot tub here. Wait, how many lives do you have? Have you used 2? You got 5. You got 3 more. Alright. Well then, let's just talk for a bit. Because this is, I mean, you're not going to make much money if we don't have a long stream, are you? So, let's, guys, what's it called? Prime. Amazon Prime. Can we get that free shipping? Yeah, purple one and all. He moved. Jesus. The chat's a bit daft. That's not what it says. If he makes a noise, he loses. Not if he moves.
Don't move, Jack. Weeping Angel from Star Wars.
Yeah.
They're
That's
smolder.
fucking scary.
What's going on here?
R2 prick 2.
Wait, was that noise?
No, he didn't make a noise in fairness. I gotta give it to him. That was so unfunny.
Hey, Kit.
Yeah?
What's up, man?
Say hello, man.
Hello.
That's going in the, that's going on the ceiling.
What?
Just something to look at when I fall asleep.
Well.
That's what these are.
Oh, hang on.
What's going on with you, Tom?
Well, Chet, I've been good.
Shit. I like that. That's good.
You can
yeah.
have it.
Oh.
You can have it. You can keep it. You can keep it close to your yard.
Yard. Alright. Yard. Okay. Bash! I bet Big John can make you laugh.
Michael Jordan!
Sorry. I just had to...
That was nice! That was nice! Yeah!
Fuck's sake! You know, it didn't get me until I saw how funny you found it, and then I was like, shit!
Oh, God.
Oh. I love seeing a joke land. Like, it didn't land with me, but I watched it land, and that was enough, you know?
I didn't think you would laugh, but I knew Kit would. I knew that would be enough.
I just did not see that coming.
Right. Oh, yeah, I got to gift the subs now. Oh, this is 20 this time. Christ.
Let me get in chat. JackManifold tab.
Did you press the fuck button? Thanks, man. £80 for 20.
Jack really held the prime that was down their pants in his hand, then immediately put his hand on his lips. SMH, that's how you catch shit, Mr. Manifold.
Because this is the rules of the stream, man. That's how you keep the viewers engaged. Money.
Engage with
That's how I keep them engaged, man. I can't talk
Still
today.
feel the need to have in your bio, formerly known as Thunder 14.
Just for those people that...
the top of your Twitch bio.
That's good.
Just in case...
For those 2020 VOD rewatches.
Yeah, just for anyone who was a big
Even
SMP
though
Earth fan who
we spent
wonders...
the whole time calling you Jack Manifold, just for anyone that's a tiny bit confused.
Some people
He's
might
right
miss
at
him.
the top of your bio.
I don't want people because you know one day there's gonna be a video called "Missing Creators Thunder 1408," so I have to leave a paper trail.
My favorite alien isolation.
Yeah, I need to. Did you? Oh, you did.
Yeah.
You raided me
I
back in
raided
those
you
days.
once
Back when I used to have like 30 viewers. I forgot about that. Anyway, well,
You're welcome for the
you.
career.
Yeah, thanks, Jago. Anyway, you guys know the rules.
VO9, thank you for the follow.
No more talking for me. I'm in recovery. Anyway, come on. 3, 2, 1. Back to silence.
I was at an AA meeting today.
Oh yeah, really? Why?
Oh,
AA,
problems.
arse, big. Nope, that didn't go anywhere.
Amazing arse.
I missed
AA
Thunder 1408
captain.
as well.
I missed Thunder 1408.
I missed 11.
Can't say that.
Little girl from Stranger Things.
Does that count? That was an exhale. That was kind of annoying.
I'm not sure.
No, I'll give him that.
We'll give him that. We'll give
That
him
was
that.
weak. That was
Yeah,
weak.
I missed Jack when he was 17.
Me, if I could go back.
What?
Let's be.
Nothing. Let's be clear, guys. I'm not a paedophile. I have
Alcohol
chlamydia.
poisoning can
I'm not
happen
a
when you drink
paedophile.
alcohol quicker than your body can process it.
Alright?
It can make you seriously ill and you may need to go to hospital for treatment.
What the fuck
Colon
are you?
opening parenthesis.
Oh no. Jago, we should not have had that whole bottle.
Shit.
Oh man.
I don't-
And that was
I actually
methylated
have no
spirit.
idea why.
That's paint stripper.
I
Oh,
just did it.
Oh, hey Toby.
Fucking told
Hey,
you.
yeah, I've
Hey,
been
man.
in. I haven't been in. I was just kind of enjoying watching the stream in person, not gonna lie.
That couldn't be me. Enjoying watching him.
Top 10 words.
If I
Never
turned
watched
away
it.
from the camera, face that way, and whipped my cock out, do you get banned?
Let's all keep our penises in our hands.
For now.
But as in, no, I'm just sorry.
Obviously not.
Hypothetically.
Oh no, hypothetically, yeah.
Hypothetically.
if we got our cocks out of frame, would you get back?
Yeah,
If
hypothetically.
it wasn't in a reflection.
Yeah.
And then, like, so I pulled Kit trousers down, like, slowly, because, like, you know, we're not in a hurry. I want to make love to you. And then it's like, I step on. I need more wine before I say this shit. I'll be right back.
You know what this is like? This is one of like those LA streamers where we're all just kind of crowded around you.
Yeah, Aiden Ross moment.
So what I loved about the subliminal messaging of that joke was how he... Nice rap.
Well, go on, get your knob out there.
AA. Assholes Anonymous. The greatest orgy in all of Brighton.
That's pretty good.
Who donated? They might have been there when we were there.
Trip nads.
Mmm.
Trip.
I remember.
Trip nads. Trip over your nads.
Oh.
Holy shit, I just realised Tommy Ennis in this. Oh, man, I'm on TV.
Oh, there he is, right there.
Oh shit. I'm me.
Nice.
I'm so
Oh,
tired.
Have you guys met Blue Van
yeah,
Man?
I'm tired
He lives near
too.
you.
Oh shit.
Who's Blue Van Man?
He's the best kebab reviewer in the middle of the country.
Oh, Blue Van.
Blue Van Man. He reviewed Morrison's
Ow, you dropped
frozen
my foot,
kebab
bro.
meat. And he said, and I quote, "That's pretty nice, that." So
He likes
you tell
Indian.
me.
He likes Indian food too, right?
Yeah. He likes naan and his naan's dead. Sorry, he likes naan and his naan's dead. And he doesn't know why he said that. You guys have seen Blue Van Man, right?
If they haven't, then this is a bad
Come on.
thing.
Can Jack talk? No. No, if he
That
does,
was a
he,
noise.
it says it right above his fucking head, you twat.
If I make
Right,
a
I'm
noise,
sick of this.
I
They
lose
can
the
fuck
line.
off. Right. If I want to hang out with fucking loonies, I'd go back to hospital.
Alright.
Which just knocked the pine out his hand.
Wait, what am I sitting on?
I don't know, it's like a box. Is it? That's a GTX 7090.
That-
No.
That's a 4090 graphics.
Wait, holy shit, you just have a 4090 graphics card sat.
Doesn't anymore.
Well, okay, well, that's gone.
There once was a group of chess players, who had a long day of chess matches. Late in the evening, these friends went to the lobby of the large hotel where the matches were held, to talk a bit and rest. While their chat began quietly, it gathered steam and got quite animated. One There once was a group of chess players, who had a long day of chess matches. Late in the evening, these friends went to the lobby of the large hotel where the matches were held, to talk a bit and rest. While their chat began quietly, it gathered steam and got quite animated. Once,
when I went to bed in my own
Does that to me a lot as well.
That makes
I just wake up in Brighton. I don't know how I got
Yeah,
there.
well, you live here.
Great spoon, your dad.
That is just not the image I want.
Oh, sorry. That's
But it's the image you
Germany,
need.
I'm gonna head back to mine soon. Any last thing you want to say to me?
You say Germany?
Any last thing you want to say to me? Any last thing you want to say? Any last thing you want to say to me?
He ain't got long left. is
Any
that
last
what
thing you want to say to me?
3.5 lives left.
I'm gonna say
We've got a good thing that'll get words out of it, don't worry.
Any last thing you want to say to me?
Oh!
Stub my toe. I'm alright.
I was making fun of my Big Brain Academy score.
What's Big Brain Academy?
I don't know, it doesn't matter. Tommy slap Jack? No.
I don't know what it's like.
Oh, this is gonna be good.
Alright, I'm off. Thanks for
Well,
having me.
you're gonna want to give it about 30 seconds.
What, just big hug.
Jack, where's your head going?
Why do you look like you should be in prison today?
Like you fist bumped me. Ow. I'm weak. Ow, please, ow.
This is really aggressive.
Cabbage! 1, 2, 3, 4, 5.
No!
6, 7, 8, 9.
Oh.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9.
XD.
Thanks for all the laughs. Looking forward to seeing you on tour.
It's a bit rude.
Thanks for the phone battery, I appreciate it.
Oh yeah, can I charge my phone for a minute? Go on then. This is just a... Oh! Yo! I got a hinge match. Oh yeah, so this is a dog shot colour.
There we are. Okay. Now bear in mind, you can't, no matter how much I shock you,
You can't make a sound.
you can't. Oh, he's pretty good at this. Alright, we've got a dog shot collar on him now.
Well, it's scale 1 to 100 power, so...
Yeah. Oh, let's stick it on 1.
Let's stick it on 1.
Oh, that's 99. Okay, wait, let's
It feels like cruelty.
No, Jack consented earlier.
Oh.
He said anything that won't get him
Oh,
banned.
nice!
Anything
was
that won't
handled.
get him banned.
Just to put that in perspective for you, that was 1%, okay? Out of 100.
Oh, and just
Wait,
any,
do 20. Do 20.
any Twitch.
Do 20.
Do 20.
Wait, any
20
Twitch
will get
stuff.
annoyed.
This is just acting. There's actually no electricity.
Yeah, well, also, no, as in, it's good for dogs. And Jack's got that fucking
He's
dog
got
in
the
him.
dog in him. You saw him against the coach. Ah! Ah! Is it not?
Is it not?
I can't tell. The vein is popping.
I tell you what. Ever since that, well, do you know what, Jack? Okay, we'll
can't find
leave it
the
off for now. We'll leave it off for now. Okay, nicely done. Fair enough. You know what? I respect that. I respect
What if I
that.
just touch it?
Wow.
What if I just touch it?
That's a pet corrector. That is. So that's you make a good
It
pet.
seems inhumane.
Yeah. Well, he's got that dog in him.
He's got that dog in him.
What?
Oh, we should call my girlfriend.
Yes, that's a good
We should
idea.
call her. 1 second. There we are. I'll FaceTime her. There we are. I'll FaceTime my girlfriend. It's been a while. Oh, I hope she picks that up. I miss her so much. But let me get a filter on so I look better.
Yo.
How do I put a
What are
filter
you
on?
doing?
Ooh, there we are. There we are. I look a bit ratty now. Come on. Hello, Treacle.
Yeah.
Hello. We're just here with a sexy man. He can't talk right now, but I just want to say hello, love. I miss you.
Miss you too.
Yeah. Oh, well, that's really sweet. Oh, I love talking to my girlfriend. It's
Why
so
are you a
nice. Just got that rat in me.
Okay.
Yeah. Wait, I'll change it. Here we are. Hey, Adam.
Oh my god,
How are you? I'm an octopus.
Oh.
Hi. Oh, that's Jago. He's also an octopus.
Hi, Jago.
Wow. Oh.
This is that manifold cosplay.
I feel like I haven't seen you since my fight. With those kids in that parking lot.
Oh,
Huh?
I said that fight. I haven't seen you since my fight with those kids in that parking lot.
You used the pet corrector on the
When did
hairless
that
moderate.
happen?
Oh, you were
Seems
there. You watched. You
unfair.
filmed. You cheered for me.
Don't-
Knocked
I
out that.
What's his name? Daniel.
No.
Oh no, that's one who died.
All right. Well, I miss you. I love you very much.
Oh my goodness.
Bye, Z's.
Bye.
I fucking love that woman. I'm gonna marry that girl.
You should.
I'm gonna marry that girl. Honestly.
Do you want a ring?
Tell you what, Toby, come on, get up here.
What the fuck is he
Read
doing?
the
He's
news.
just sitting down.
Top 10 worst
like
things
so,
to not
man.
drop
Yeah,
in a
fair enough.
bathtub.
I just thought,
Number
like,
one will
I just-
shock you.
Like, Jack Manifold's room is going to be a nice, quiet place to chill out.
That's
To
fair
be
enough.
Speaking.
It's definitely
We'll,
quiet.
like twist dials on his chair, see what happens.
Okay.
Wait a second. Should we do that costume change? If we tell Toby to close his eyes, we'll do that costume change.
Oh wait, okay, yeah, this is
You
good.
might want to close your eyes.
Okay, I'll
No,
close
no,
we're gonna do that. Was
Wait,
in
I
and
left it
keep
in the
them
living
closed
room.
until we
Okay,
leave
I
the
left
room
it in the
again.
living room.
I'll
I
just
left it in
keep
the
my
living
eyes
room.
closed.
I left it in the living
We've
room.
got a good costume change. We've got a good costume.
Hi Jack, but I might get banned for this, but here I go singing a B to a full song pizza, pasta, put it in a box, deliver it to my house and put it on my C asterisk CK 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 my C asterisk.
A keybind to like hide your webcam. Okay, Jack.
Are your eyes
I'm
closed,
kidding.
Toby?
Yeah, they're closed.
Guess who? Hiya!
I'm not looking.
Hiya! What's the matter? What's the matter? What's the matter? Get out of Get out of please! Come here! Come on!
Okay.
Why? It's chilly! Oh, that's my ass!
Yes, that was a noise. That was so a noise.
are you really counting that?
Yes, I'm counting that shit.
After all, please have clothes on.
Yes! There we are. We'll just stick our hands out.
Oh.
There we are. Nicely
yeah.
done. Nicely done, guys.
They were both fully naked.
They were.
Also, yeah, Kit FaceTimed my girlfriend, and this thing fucking hurts.
Yeah, I know.
I'm sorry. No, I gotta say, you held that up well. We had to bring.
This,
that all
I
the
thought it was. I expected it to be one of the vibrating ones.
Oh, it
Yeah,
does
no.
have a
Oh, it has a
vibrate setting,
vibrate
you just
option.
didn't use it.
Yeah.
Prick.
No, I gotta say, you handled that like a champ. Let's hope there's
And now
no
I'm gonna text my girlfriend, because you didn't let her in on that bit before you did it, did you?
No, I told her nothing. Jago tried to message her earlier, but I think she didn't see it. So,
You fucking aired me.
well, my girlfriend would never do that.
Yeah.
Hey guys, I wasn't actually naked. It was all.
Well,
fun.
fine. I guess I'll gift more subs with it.
That is so.
Are you gifting 10 subs every time you laugh?
20 this time.
What?
The last life is 50.
Oh.
You better make it.
So people are making money from us being nude. Are we porn stars now?
Oh, fuck off.
That's where it is.
Yo!
I was looking for a
Give me
career
some
change. Boom. We should be promoting stuff, man.
OnlyFans. Oh,
Kit Wisp gets no
pans.
women. Absolutely
I
zero.
only cook with pans. Pots and pans.
I zoned out. I genuinely like had like a war flashback to you guys being naked. Like I actually.
We saw the panic kick in.
Oh, because Tubbo was like, by the way, like, watch out for your career. And I was like, what? And he went, oh, you should have a hotkey to hide your webcam.
Hey man,
And I
I'm
was
looking
like,
out for you. I'm looking out
I
for
just
you.
turned the webcam off and no one saw my initial reaction because I turned it off. Because I was so conscious. No, because I was so.
Don't worry.
No, fuck off. I was so concerned that there was like a reflection in the room, so that I just turned everything off.
I did when I came in. I scoped to
We
check
had a
if there
little
would
look.
be
It's
a,
in the corner. Like, I figured it'd be
My only worry was that play button there, but that's not turned enough.
That one was
So-
risque.
Oh my god.
Guys, don't worry. There's nothing to see.
It's,
You know?
it's true.
Well, anyway,
It's nothing. We've lived together for a long time.
another 20.
My God.
Congrats.
You get half of that back 'cause it's your own subs. Is that how it works?
Yeah.
Tell him.
Oh, so you should give
No, he gets like 70% back, dude.
Nice.
Don't you tell them the details of my contract.
Bro, there ain't no shot you're not on 70-30.
You don't know I'm not. You don't know that I'm on that.
I know.
You don't know.
Oh, I know.
You don't know.
You guys are getting
Anyway, there's more subs. How many subs have we gifted today? Tubbo, Tommy turned off. Oh, there we are.
80.
Oh my god.
84 subs today. Christ on a
Guys,
bike.
Twitch Prime is free.
It is, and I need it because I'm going broke.
It would be funny if you didn't use them though and made Jack pay for them. I'm just saying.
Right, well, I made a squeak last time. Because of naked men, by the way. Not even the painful electric collar, but the naked men.
What's wrong with naked men, Jack?
No, nothing, but apparently they make me squeak.
I'm sorry. Okay, I'm getting my cock out again.
Don't get your cock out again. I'm going back to being silent now.
I'm just gonna
It's
nail
gonna be
back
really funny
on
when we
your
open
floor.
the door again and our knobs are out.
Do not be naked again, or I'm just...
Hey man, they're wild. I said it as a joke. They like flat out. They just.
Yeah, they would. I've
know
seen them
what?
naked several
I'm
times.
so glad I actually didn't see them naked.
Anyway, I'm starting being silent again. Starting
All right, go for it.
now.
Yeah, I was lucky. I was glad I was pre-warned. I thankfully didn't see them.
Be who you are. Gay pride.
That's quite a funny text-to-speech. So what constitutes a noise? Because you breathe quite loudly. That's all I'm saying. Is that not it? Because sometimes also like you smack your lips together. It makes noise. And technically that's noise coming from your mouth. You know? Are you enjoying this stream? You're not, are you? That sucks. I'm just here for the vibe, not gonna lie. I thought it'd be kinda chill, kinda just sit here and chat. I didn't expect men to be getting naked in your kitchen. I'm gonna be real, that's a wild one. You know what, you have like kind of a respectable stream setup, you know what I mean? Like as in like you have your windows laid out how I would have my windows, and I like it. Because like some people stream and they have like their windows set out like crazy weird. So it's nice that they're like it's a good layout is what I'm saying. What I will say is like you don't need the freaking like stream manager analytics thing open 24/7. Like, you can optimize your space a bit more, you know. And also, I'm not sure I'm a fan of your YouTube music setup. Just to throw it out there, like I feel like you could. You know, I feel like you could almost, like, if it was a playlist, you could then see the playlist on the left side, click through quicker, you know? Oh. You just have a lot of tabs, don't you? You're a tab guy. This isn't Firefox.
You know,
What are you
the
using?
thing about
What browser?
cliffhangers
That's
is...
Firefox? When did they make Firefox blue? Oh, it's developer edition. Oh, is that for like so you can have like RAM control and shit? I see it. You know, the thing about cliffhangers is, what is it? I don't. We're just dancing.
Hey Tubbo, wonder what would happen if you pulled on some of the chair's levers. Just a suggestion.
There ain't no levers, lad. Oh fuck, that one made a noise. I'll put that on back.
Got me cock out.
Are you just fiddling?
Yeah, I'm just messing with the chair.
Too.
Let's give him a bit. Let's ease him up a bit. Let's give him something to worry
We could
about.
do some electrotherapy. I'm gonna grab it.
Is that not it? Oh.
Ooh. Fillet steak right here, mate. Fuck yeah, now.
Let's do that hairline recession.
Hairline recession? You're gonna recede his hairline.
This is how you get the wrinkles out. It's like ironing in the face.
You know what? You didn't see.
Do you have wrinkles, Jack?
He does now, mate. Fucking look at him.
Oh,
It's like his brain.
We call him Megamind behind his back. Look at that.
Oh,
Bah.
no.
Remember him after his fight? Oh man.
This is wild. This is wild to watch. You just gotta make like one little bit more noise and it will be over, you know? Yeah. One little bit of noise and you can end this.
That was sensual. I don't know if you felt that the way I did. I got a proper tingle down my back.
Worried about your relationship? Put it to the test. Shit in her bed. Be a man.
What does that say? Worried about your relationship? Put to the test. Shit in her bed. Be a man.
Sorry.
That's
sorry.
fucking good.
It's my
No, it's okay. Don't worry about it.
It's,
Oh, an answer it, Toby.
I mean, it's not the time nor the place, is it?
Thanos' chin.
Look at that there. The Infinity Stones. I need them, Peter Parker. The Daily Bugle is coming to me.
You climaxing.
You should have gone for the head. The Time Stone is mine!
Do they all know you shat in
The
your
Reality Stone is mine! Bash!
Oh, Jack looks like he's climaxing.
How is his forehead so malleable?
It's like fucking
Let me get in between.
moon putty.
Oh my god, it's like slices of ham.
Yeah.
Oh. Oh. Wait, no, get them wrinkly.
Oh, wait, no. If we hold it here, it'll stay.
This is too much.
Wow, I've heard of
Oh,
butt
I've
X
heard a
him
lot
like
of,
Tommy has, but
this
he's gone and
reminds me-
given
Wait, what
Jack
does
a
that say?
fucking butt head.
I've had a lot of butt chins like Tommy has, but he's gone and given Jack the full fucking butt head. Yeah, I don't know. Look at this.
You should have gone for the head!
Have you felt
It was the fucking horrendous, cringy little face. You pulled like a face as you said it. Yo, I almost just said something when you said you can end all this now by talking. Well, that's my 5 lies. I didn't even last a fucking hour. My God, congratulations, men.
We did a good job.
I got 1 hour of not talking. Peace. Hopefully that'll help me recover. Thank you to these beautiful men for helping me.
I am beautiful. You should see us with our clothes off.
Follow my
Fuck
socials
off.
There we go.
at Johnny Sins.
Shut up.
Yep.
Either way, they've all been great. I just covered up Tubbo. My apologies, but here they all are.
I was just
Someone's just in the corner.
And no, they don't know that I shit myself.
The live stream live.
I'm glad you enjoyed it, Tubbo. Either way, I've been JackManifoldTV. Let me gift you my the final 50 subs since you earned it, chat. But
Oh my god.
yeah, £200, 200.
Nah, don't let him.
Fuck this.
Can I have a sub?
Yeah, maybe you can. I don't know.
Give a Twitch up.
There's the £200. Oh, my card declined. Christ.
Do you want me to do it and then I can...
That's all right. Don't worry. I'll.
Is that Kit's girlfriend on your phone?
Oh, it is. She's a sexy little mix.
Oh my god.
Kate! It's my girlfriend that's real.
Yeah, she is.
That was a joke, guys. I love Eleanor, and I would never talk to her like that.
Oh, there we go. 50
To go through. Oh, there we are. Finally. All right, 50 subs. Well, that's been me. I usually read all my socials at this point, but I just... I'd rather just leave. Who's live? Who's live?
I am.
Sneeg. You're not live, Tubbo.
My ass is sat here.
Yeah, you're here, Tubbo. Let's raid Sneeg. Alright, God forbid we ever do a stream like this again. This was horrendous. I hope you enjoyed, because I thoroughly did
You're
not.
wondering, Jack lives at his address. What are we?
Oh, okay, bye!
2-3 Sesame.